Aloha everyone, Moose here from Krank Cycles. We are so excited to announce our additional location of Krank Cycles Airport. 27 Dairy Road, just blocks away from Kahului OGG Maui's airport, right across the street from Down to Earth, centrally located to serve Maui locals and visitors for all their cycling needs. Come on, let's check it out. Just like Krank Cycles Mountain, we are a full service bike shop. We are offering bike sales, bike repairs, and bike rentals. Big mahalo to everyone abroad and especially for all the community of Maui County. Without you, none of this would be possible. So thank you, and ride safe and ride with aloha.